वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी अलर्ट। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 1 जो सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द मैक्सिमम लेंथ ऑफ NH44 लाइज इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स? ऑप्शन ए राजस्थान, ऑप्शन बी मध्य प्रदेश, ऑप्शन सी तेलंगाना, ऑप्शन बी तमिलनाडु। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी तमिलनाडु। Then question number 2, the scarcity or crop failure of which of the following can cause a serious edible oil crisis in India? Option A coconut, option B groundnut, option C linseed, option D mustard. Correct answer is option B groundnut. Then question number 3, the Dinabandhu model is associated with which of the following types of non-conventional power resources found in India? Option A solar plant, option B tidal wave energy plant, option C biogas plant, option D wind energy plant. Correct answer is option C biogas plant. Then question number 4, which mineral is popularly known as buried sunshine? Option A iron, option B bauxite, option C mica, option D coal. Correct answer is option D coal. Then question number 5, which of the following is the most important raw material for generation of power in India? Option A coal, option B mineral oil, option C natural gas, option D uranium. Correct answer is option A coal. Then question number 6, the Dinabandhu model is associated with which of the following types of non-conventional power resources found in India? Option A solar plant, option B tidal wave energy plant, option C biogas plant, option D wind energy plant. Correct answer is option C biogas plant. Then question number 7, what percentage of the total forest cover of India is under highly to extremely fire prone? Option A 12.23%, option B 13.10%, option C 15.62%, option D 21.40%. Correct answer is option D 21.40%. Then question number 8, the term peneplain is related to which of the following? Option A underground water, option B wind, option C river, option D glacier. Correct answer is option C, river. Then question number 9. Which of the following soil types of India is rendered infertile by the presence of excess iron? Option A, desert sand. Option B, alluvial. Option C, podgalic. Option D, laterite. Correct answer is option D, laterite. Then question number 10. Which of the following countries leads in the production of aluminium and its products in the world? Option A, Australia. Option B, France. Option D, India. Option D, USA. Correct answer is option D, USA. Then question number 11. India has the longest international border with which country? Option A, Bhutan. Option B, Nepal. Option C, Bangladesh. Option D, Pakistan. Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Then question number 12. Which of the following is not a region of migration of birds? Option A, to avoid extreme climatic conditions. Option B, rapid urbanization. Option C, to have better breeding conditions. Option D, less competition for safe places. Correct answer is option B, rapid urbanization. Then question number 13. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquakes? Option A, Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Option B, Deccan Plateau. Option C, plains of northern India. Option D, Western Ghats. Correct answer is option A, Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. And then question number 14. Which of the following is the highest waterfall of Tamil Nadu? Option A, Thalayar Waterfalls. Option B, Suruli Falls. Option C, Kumbhakarai Falls. Option D, Bhattaparai Falls. Correct answer is option A, Thalayar Waterfalls. Then question number 15. Which was the first country that has signed open sky agreement with India after the aviation policy was cleared by the cabinet? Option A, France. Option B, Russia. Option C, Greece. Option D, Singapore. Correct answer is option C, Greece. Then question number 16. The oldest oil refinery in India is at option A, Digboi, Assam. Option B, Haldia near Kolkata. Option C, Koyali near Baroda. Option D, Nunmati, Assam. Correct answer is option A, Digboi, Assam. Then question number 17. Which of the following was not been recognized as a plantation crop in India? Option A, oil palm. Option B, rubber. Option C, coffee. Option D, coconut. Correct answer is option A, oil palm. Then question number 18. The Himalayan rivers flow through deep eye-shaped valley called option A, canyon. Option B, gorges. Option C, stream. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, gorges. Then question number 19. Which of the following union territories of India has the highest density of population per square kilometer? Option A, Pondicherry. Option B, Lakshadweep. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Chandigarh. Correct answer is option C, Delhi. Then question number 20. Lithosphere consists of option A, upper and lower mantle. Option B, crust and core. Option C, crust and uppermost solid metal. Option D, metal and core. Correct answer is option C, crust and uppermost solid metal. Then question number 21. The Yarlong Jangbu river in India is known as option A, Ganga. Option B, Indus. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Mahanadi. Correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Then question number 22. Which is the highest mountain in the European continent? Option A, Mount Aconcagua. Option B, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option C, Mount Elbrus. Option D, Mount McKinley. Correct answer is option C, Mount Elbrus. And question number 23. Which of the following is a peninsular river of India? Option A, Gandak. Option B, Kosi. Option C, Krishna. Option D, Satluj. Correct answer is option C, Krishna. Then question number 24. Which among the following deltas is nicknamed as the Green Delta? Option A, Euphrates Delta. Option B, Ganges Delta. Option C, Fly Delta. Option D, Mackenzie Delta. Correct answer is option B, Ganges Delta. Then question number 25. Last question. Which of the following countries leads in the production of aluminium and its products इन द वर्ल्ड। ऑप्शन ए ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑप्शन बी फ्रांस, ऑप्शन सी इंडिया, ऑप्शन डी यूएसए। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी यूएसए। अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन आंसर को पीडीएफ में डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, वहां जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।